Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So in order to turn off all of your opened apps, you have to access Recents section. If you have 3 buttons navigation, you have Recents button, but if you have gesture navigation to access Recents section, you just have to swipe your finger up like this and hold it for a second. And that's how you can access Recents section. Here you can see all of your opened apps, and by tapping on this clean icon here, you can close them all and turn off all running apps, just like this. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.